Promenade. Or whatever it is.
Oh.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
This caboose was built in 1900, so it's over 100 years old. The wood frame construction was restored about 12 years ago and brought to Tanago with a locomotive.
Is it a bed?
Remember the train crew would ride up and look above the roofs of the boxcars for safety?
Oh, okay.
The bunk beds folded down by cowboys when they rode behind the cattle trains. They had to service the cattle. This is their sleeping quarters.
But the locomotive is not working.
Oh, no.
No,
It's been here 75 years.
you never know.
It's cold. Oh, last year it went through a major repainting. Slicked it all up.
No idea to put back on the road.
No.
Oh, it's nice.
Sure.
Well, after all this year, I'm still in good shape.
Oh, well, it was restored just the way it was when it was in service. Hello. Hello.
Hi. Hello, I like your hat. Oh wow, this is cool. Hi. Hi.
We don't travel very far.
Yeah.
If I was running for president, I'd stand back here and give a speech.
You can run for president. No one's stopping you.
Trump can do it.
I didn't say in front of Mary. Where's that mask, lady?
Holy hell. Coming down is always hard. I know.